Welcome to the lessons on atoms, elements, and compounds. So now let us take a look at the structure of an atom. In the center, we have the nucleus, which is made up of protons and neutrons. Surrounding the nucleus, we have electrons that orbit around the nucleus. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that has the same chemical properties of the element. So now let us take a look at the keywords here. Smallest particle, element, same chemical properties of that element. So element, yes, you are right. It can be found in the periodic table. And each element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by chemical process. So it's a pure substance, cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by chemical process. So now we look at an example, which is a helium element. At the top, we have the proton or atomic number, and at the bottom, we have the relative atomic mass. So on the right, this is an example of a helium atom where there's 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and 2 electrons. This is the electronic configuration of helium. So for compound, it is a pure substance containing 2 or more elements that are chemically combined or joined together in fixed ratio. So it's a pure substance, 2 or more elements chemically combined in fixed ratio. So for compound, there are 2 types. One is ionic, second is covalent. Now we look at ionic compound. We take a look at this example. We have a metallic atom, which is sodium. So when sodium loses the electron in the outer shell, it will form a cation, which is Na+. The electron loss will be gained by a non-metal atom, which is chlorine. And it will form an anion, which is Cl-. So the electrostatic forces of attraction between the cation and anion will form the ionic bond. So for covalent compound, we take a look at this example, which is water, H2O. It is made up of 1 oxygen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. Now we look at the electronic configuration. We have the oxygen atom and is joined together by 2 hydrogen atoms. So the sharing of electrons between the oxygen and hydrogen atoms will form the covalent bond. So coming back to the definition of compound, which is a pure substance containing 2 or more elements that are chemically combined in fixed ratio. So what happens when it's only a single element? We'll take a look at this example where 2 hydrogen atoms comes together, which will form hydrogen gas. And we will classify them as molecule, which is a group of 2 or more atoms that are chemically combined or joined together. So coming back to the overall definition, First of all, when we say a group of two or more atoms that are chemically combined together, it will form molecule. However, if a single element, it will remain as molecule. If it's two or more elements, it will be classified as covalent compound. Thank you.